Hi, I'm Kelly LeClaire with LeClaire Real Estate. So what do you think you can buy for $1 million here in San Clemente? Well, I found 4 properties that closed right around the same time, early 2016, for right around $1 million. Let's take a look. First, down by the San Clemente Pier is Villa Grande. This is a condo complex where recently a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo just under 1,400 square feet sold for around $1 million. This has great ocean views, the building has great access to the beach trail, and this one was recently remodeled. Next, in Southeast San Clemente, we go to East Avenida San Juan. This home was built in the 1950s but has been fully remodeled and has ocean views. It also has a decent sized lot at 7,800 square feet. Down in Southwest San Clemente, here on West Avenida Valencia, is another home that recently sold for $1 million. This one is 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and its location is great. Very close to the beach in a desirable neighborhood. The house was built in the 80s, definitely needed some remodeling, but the lot is a decent size for downtown at 5,100 square feet. Head inland a little bit to the neighborhood of Talega and we find our last property that recently sold for about $1 million. This home on Via Paquete is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home that's 3,300 square feet. It's also the most recent construction of our examples. It was built in 2001. So 4 totally different homes in 4 very unique neighborhoods just within San Clemente, and each one sold for about $1 million in spring of 2016. The price per square foot is quite a range. Down by the beach, that condo sold for $730 per square foot, whereas up here in Talega, the home sold for $306 a square foot. Thanks for watching this episode of the LeClaire Real Estate Reels. I'm Kelly LeClaire.